present here. I'm Vanisha Agrawal and I'll be presenting the PK Jain Memorial Award. PK Jain Memorial Award is the first donor award instituted at IIT Bhilai from the academic session 2018-19. This award recognizes the effort of an outstanding student who contributed significantly and selflessly towards the growth of IIT Bhilai. This award consists of 50,000 cash prize and a silver medal plated with gold and is awarded on Independence Day. This is sponsored by Srimati Sharda Jain, wife of PK Jain. Shri Praveen Kumar Jain was an alumni of IIT Kharagpur, from where he did his BTech honors in metallurgy. He commenced his professional career at Bhilai Steel Plant, where his contributions are still fondly remembered. Mr. Jain was a distinguished philanthropist who had established an old age home at Faridabad called Vridhavas. As an educationist, he has always emphasized on the quality of education students get. He was very pleased to know that an IIT is going to get established at Bhilai, where he has spent most of his life. Following his demise, Srimati Sharda Jain started this award in the memory of Mr. P.K. Jain in order to encourage students to excel in their studies. This is the third time the award is being presented. In 2018, the award had been given to Mr. Devansh Bajpayee from the Pioneer Batch. In 2019, the award was given to Mr. Govind Kumar Arora from the Pioneer Batch. Now I would request Dr. Amit Kumar Dhar to announce this year's recipient. So.
So all the applicants received this year were exceptional in nature, and the applicants have worked very hard towards betterment of IIT Bhilai community. But one of them stood out. So without further ado, I would like to announce that the PK Jain Memorial Award for the year 2021 goes to Abhishek Prashant Singhane. Other than being part of various projects at IIT Bhilai, Abhishek was the founding member of the Institute Innovation Council. Under the council, he has helped organize various activities to uplift innovation and entrepreneurship spirit within the institute. He was also the coordinator of first Industry Academia Conclave. Other than this contribution, he has owned many accolades and also co-founded a startup. To present the award, I would like to invite Professor Rajat Munna, Director IIT Bhilai, and Srimati Sharda Jain, the donor of PK Jain Memorial Award, on stage. Please, sir. Let us congratulate Abhishek and thank Mr. Srimati Sharda Jain with a round of applause. Thank you, sir.